Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Login Helps. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can fix the messenger calls not showing up on the screen. But before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified about the further uploads on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Sometimes if someone calls you on messenger, then the notification won't be pop up or the messenger call notification won't be shown up on the screen, due to which you could not pick up the phone or receive the call. So how you can fix that is, so you need to firstly go to the Play Store on your device or any app store on your device and search for messenger. And if you see any upgrade option here, then you need to tap on upgrade and upgrade the messenger apps, because sometimes the box on the messenger can create this kind of issues. So another way you can help to solve this problem is you need to go to the setting on your phone and you need to find out apps here. Tap on apps and tap on app management. Wait until all the apps are loaded here. Once it is loaded, either you can scroll down and search for messenger, or you can search in here messenger and get access to this app info page of messenger. Tap on permission and make sure you have allowed all the apps permission, because if you don't allow any app permission, then that might create the problem. Go back again and tap on storage uses. You need to tap on clear cache and clear all the cache of this messenger. Doing so, you will easily solve the messenger call not showing up on screen problem. If your problem hasn't been yet resolved, then once you need to restart your phone, because on your phone itself might be problem. So this is it guys, thank you.